Hi, I'm Andrew Hoiberg from Calcium Products. What I want to talk to you today about is the yield impact from using 98G pelletized limestone as a maintenance rate scenario. When we talk about maintenance rates, what we're talking about are more frequent, lower rate applications, generally between 200 and 300 pounds per acre, to try and offset the acidification that we're putting out with our nitrogen management programs. Every time we put out an ammoniated source of nitrogen, it has to convert from ammonium to nitrate, and during that process it leaves behind acidity in the soil. So if we can take advantage of that knowledge to offset that acidification in real time, we can then promote a more maximized yield environment for the crop. Corn and soybeans both have great response to these types of applications. Generally speaking, we see about a 10 bushel increase on corn and about a 2.5 bushel increase on soybean from the trial work we've done dating back to 2017. Now again, we're trying to offset that acidification and access those nutrients better during the growing season rather than waiting for our acidity problem to build up into a big deal that we have to go in with real high rates of limestone to get things back in check. Primarily we're talking about phosphorus access, as that's the one that tends to be the most hindered by low pH. So if we can adjust that pH in a microenvironment around the plant and allow it to access that phosphorus, that's how we generate those yield impacts. And we really want these applications to look and feel more like a traditional fertilizer application. So it's not the tons per acre that we're used to hearing about when we talk about limestone, but more the hundreds of pounds per acre. Again, 250 is about the average. And then we can see those tangible yield benefits. And these are done on an ongoing basis to offset the acidification. So if it's continuous corn, we're going to do these applications every year. If it's a corn and soybean or other crop rotation, you're going to want to put these applications out with that nitrogen that's going out with the corn crop to offset that acidification and again maximize that yield environment. We have a lot more information about these trials on our website at calciumproducts.com. So if you want to learn more about trial locations, exact application rates, exact yield data, that's all on there for you to go check out. Certainly you could reach out to your territory sales manager or myself. I'd be happy to talk to you more about that. And even if you're interested in setting up some of these trials, we can talk to you about that as well. Thanks for stopping by. We'll talk to you again soon.